First, right-click the Start menu, then press Run. Type in gpedit.msc and click OK. Under Local Computer Policy, go to Administrative Templates, Network, Network Connections, Windows Defender Firewall, and press on Domain Profile. Double-click on Protect All Network Connections. Select Disabled, then click OK. Select Standard Profile, and repeat the same process. Click the Start button, then Settings. Update and Security. Windows Security. Firewall and Network Protection. Make sure domain private and public network are all off. To disable firewall notifications, click Firewall Notification Settings, then Manage Notifications. Turn them off. All done. Please subscribe.